about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out.
To the bus so that I can start this tutorial. So I got an order for an Elmo birthday party, and it's going to be for a little boy. So I have to make the mom birthday tee, mom of the birthday boy, and obviously the birthday boy t-shirt. And with that, she wants, yes, some Converses. I'm so excited. So yes, so we're going to be using some Converses, but let me just tell you that if this is for your baby and you don't want to go out and spend $30-$35 on a pair of Converses, just go to Walmart or Target and pick up a basic pair of sneakers and bling that out. I mean, most of the time these sneakers are used for the one day, so this one's going to be very simple, so I figure it's great for beginners. So we're only going to put beads on the front. We're not going to use the whole blinged out rhinestone thing. We're not going to do that today. There will be another video for that, but today we're going to keep it simple, and this is why I think it's great for beginners. So we're going to use these beads here, and I got these in Hobby Lobby. They were $3.99. I want to say they might have been on sale, but I'm not even sure because I had got them a while back, and there's 150 pieces in here. So, and we're going to be also using 2 Elmo patches and the good old E6000 glue. Mine's is a little gunked up because I use it a lot. So with that said, let's get started on these little bad boys. Let's get started, guys. Okay guys, so for this tutorial on the Converses, what we're going to be using is a pair of Converses or any sneaker that you are going to be using. We're going to be using the beads as I had mentioned. I'm trying to see if I can focus. That I got from Hobby Lobby, 150 pieces. We're also going to be using the 2 Elmo patches, okay, and also the E6000 glue. So let's get started. Alright guys, so the first thing that I like to do is that I like to just remove the shoelaces from the shoe. I just do this because I don't want to take a chance and get glue on them or anything like that. So we're just going to remove the laces and put them back in the box so they don't get dirty. Alright guys, I have these pickup tools and I had them for a while. Every time I'm done I put them back in here, and I really don't remember where I got these from. I want to say AC Moore, but then I think it could be Hobby Lobby because I shop there the most. But either or places will have something like this or similar to this. So you can use this, or you can use a pair of tweezers, whatever works for you, okay? And like I said, I always put them back in the plastic in here so that they don't, the little stickiness, which they're not really sticking that much anymore. I mean, it doesn't wear off. And I always keep wipes in my craft room, so in case I get glue on my finger or whatever, they're just, you know, easy to grab. Alright guys, so let's start blinging. When we add the glue to the sneaker, we always want to make sure we don't put too much glue, but you want to put enough so that it holds the beads, okay? And with this glue, you have to work really fast. All right, guys, and depending how fast you can work, that's how much glue you want to put on, because this stuff will dry very quickly. So you don't want to put a lot of glue and then your glue is drying. So I'm just going to try to do the outline of the shoe. These things, come on, buddy, flip over. And if you guys want to also, you know, put in different color stones, everything, you know, is when you craft, everything doesn't have to be like always like matchy. You know, it's good to incorporate different colors and different metals. It'll give it a different look that everybody isn't doing. Sometimes I look at other people blinging out shoes, and it's like everyone has the same style and the same design. So you can always just do your own thing. And actually, I've learned doing what I'm doing is that a lot of people like a different, you know, want a different look. Not everybody wants the same look for their child. They always want their kid's special day to have something special. Okay, so now what we're doing is we're just adding all the stones to the glue that I laid out. I'm trying to do it a little fast because I don't want my glue to dry.
Now looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
While we allow this one to dry. Alright guys, so now that we have our shoes done, we're going to add the patch to it, okay? So what we're going to do, well, what I want to do, I want to kind of get like these corners here and just line it up like this to do, or you can use your heat press, or you can use an iron. You don't need a heat press, or you can just glue it right here. All right. Oh. You see it's done, and this side is not even like sticking, it's just warm. But yeah, so that's Elmo. And you could add the beads in the back. She didn't ask for anything but the front. I mean, so it's what she wants, but you could also add the beads to the back. Would look really nice. Okay guys, so we're going to add the letter A to the outside of the sneaker. You don't have to do this step. I was gonna do it, so I figured why not just show it on the video. So we're going to add the letter A to the outside of the sneaker. I'm trying to see if I can get, I'm going to be using this little iron here. I don't know if you can see that. And I think you can pick them up in Hobby Lobby. I'm not really sure, but yeah, I have, this one is not a new one. I bought a bunch of like craft stuff. I mean, like $200 and something I paid, and it was well worth over $500. And that was years ago when I first decided, you know, to do what I'm doing. So anyways, this was in there, but I believe I seen it in Hobby Lobby. All right guys, so just grab some tissue or something, and I just want to heat up my surface here. Put my letter A on here, like so. And I'm just grabbing some. I got unplugged. Okay, so there you have it, and that's the A on this shoe. So now we can move on to the next shoe. Also, if you wanted to, this doesn't belong in there. You can use the spikes. Okay. So I don't know if you can see them, but you could have fell in the shoe. You could have put the spikes on the back like this, but you can't see there. But we could have used the spikes on the back as well. So if you would like a tutorial on how to put the spikes on the sneakers, let me know, and we could have also spiked the front. So you could also just put, you know, the spikes on the front, but that'll be another tutorial. So just let me know. These are some of the other ones that I'm working on, and I'm not done with these and with these either. So if you're interested in any other tutorials on blinging out the shoes, please let me know. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Please like and subscribe. Until next Sunday, bye.